Good morning sa ating lahat. Morning na ba o afternoon? Lunch time. Yeah, noon na, noon. Noon. Afternoon na pala. Nandito kami sa Harvey Bay, nag-cup of coffee kami. Dito kami sa tabing dagat. Saan ba yun? Teka. Dali. Yun. Nag-coffee kami dito sa loob. Naputol yung aking Naputol yung aking... Oh yeah, I'm coming. Umulan. Ito na si hubby ko maglakad. May walking chair na. Nakakita siya ng doggy. Good morning sa atin. Good day pala. Day na lang. Alanganin pa sa afternoon. Good day na lang. Ayan siya. Bawat lakad niya kasama na ako. Kasi nag-walking chair na si daddy. Bumigay na yung mga energy niya sa hita. Pero nakakapag-drive pa siya kahit konti. Papunta kami ng ng kanyang MRI. Ayan. Oops, lumubog ka naman, dada. Yan siya. Patatapos lang namin mag-coffee. Sakit yung aking Yes. Ngayon ko lang naisipan mag-video uli. Kasi busy ako mula nung nag-prepare ako for my holiday kasama ang aking anak. Tapos busy ako pag-prepare hanggang pag-alis namin. Nag-holiday kami ng ilang linggo. Pagbalik namin natrangkaso naman ako ng halos magdadalawang linggo din ng trangkaso ko. Nasagap ko lahat yung ng Pinas. Teka, lagay ko muna to. Ganito ang gawa ko. Pag magkasama kami ni hubby ko, mag-kotse kami. Pag kami lang, ako lang, nagbabasa ko. Wait, daddy ha. I can hang on a minute. Ayan. Bago kami nagbakasyon na ospital pa si hubby ko. 1 week, more than 1 week sa ospital. Paglabas niya, umuwi kami. Pagbalik namin, 2 weeks ay nagkasakit naman ako. Malapit mag 2 weeks. Ngayon kagagaling ko lang. Punta kami ng aming MRI clinic. Mainit. Ang init. Teka lang, lapag kita dyan ha. Busy ako. Wait.
You left your scooter there, look.
Yeah, I know. The poor owner of that.
Very bad.
Bad behavior, the white person. White.
Now, wait a minute.
I think white kids.
I thought he was going to steal it then. But he didn't.
Because you can't use the daddy. They have a time limit. I think like a remote control.
Wait a minute. He's having a long look. He's trying again.
He's not interested.
No, he's going back.
He's interested for business, dada.
Looking for a cab.
Your
Can we get out that way
your
or
belt.
this way?
This way, I think this way. Your belt, daddy.
Seatbelt, mummy. 140.
Yeah. It's a bit hot.
Are we in?
Yeah.
bit hot, but a bit bloody cold out there.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
What about that car?
It's ready. Palabas na kami ng...
Hang on, where's this bloody bloke going?
I don't know. Ay, that is in?
Alright. Are we alright?
Yeah. Are you alright for in and out there?
Can we get out that way?
I don't know.
No. Can we?
I think that's in and out, Dada.
Well, I'm going out this way anyway, so
Uh-uh.
it's silly. This way? Wait for this car. Cars. Come on, yo.
Kahit pa paano nakakapag-drive si
Outward
Habi ko,
safety.
akala ko
That's
hindi na siya makakapag-drive. Kasi ilang beses siyang natumba.
An hour and a half's drive.
Automatic yung aming sasakyan. Pwede niyang gamitin. Ang hirap ng hindi nagda-drive. Bye-bye, Harvey Bay Beach. Nag-coffee lang kami dyan. Babalik na kami doon sa taas. Meron pa akong konting cough. Hindi katulad nung the other week. Grabe. Hindi na ako makatayo-tayo. Hindi ako makatulog. Alis na kami. Punta na kami sa taas. Kasi ito yung mababa. Kasi hindi dito yung dagat. Yung mga hotel, accommodation. Yan. Namiss ko tong lugar na to. Kasi hindi na nakapag-drive ng malayo si Habi ko. Yan, ang ganda ng dagat. Natabunan na. More rain. Yeah. More rain. Kanina natatakot ako nagdadrive si Habi. Hindi makita yung kalsada. Sabi ko dahan-dahan ka lang. Kaya naku. Dalawa tayo na asahan ng iyong anak. Mahirap na. Bawat lakad ni Habi ko kasama na ako.
Up here?
Yes. Up
Main
here.
Street
Oh, yeah.
by Alba. What was it called? At the end anyway.
Maulan. Mula nang dumating kami, ulan ng ulan, nag-start ng ulan. Nung wala kami dito, sabi ni Habi ay walang ulan, napakainit daw. Ngayon dumating ako, sige na ang ulan niya. Pahinga lang siya ng ilang araw, ulan na naman. Yan. Mamaya busy na to paglabasan na ng mga bata. 3 o'clock. Start na yan 2:30. Ang road namin ang dami sasakyan. Naglalabasan ng mga parents para mag-pick up sa mga anak. Ngayon medyo tahimik pa. Mamaya busy na ito.
I'll just swap this car for that one, I think. Eh?
No, I don't like that. Too
Don't you like
short.
that one?
Too short.
Okay.
Too short. Tsaka nakabantay ako sa kanya pag nagdadrive kasi natatakot ako baka biglang manigas yung mga kamay niya tsaka paa. Dati natutulog ako kapag kasama niya ako sa drive seat. Ngayon hindi na. Hindi na ako kumpiyansa.
Nearly there now.
Yes, nearly that roads. That's is Main Street Medical Center. Opposite niya doon ang yeah, that's right. We have a car park there, if you want, no? I know driveway that. Dito kami pupunta, papasok diyan.
Can we park here? Yeah.
No parking? How about there?
Can you park here?
I don't know.
What does that say?
Ay?
Loading zone.
It's not allowed here?
Huh?
It's not allowed here?
You want to nip in and ask him?
Ask him for to inside? It's not. I don't only inside.
What?
Our customer parking only there
Where?
inside.
Well, it's,
Oh, the inside. I read kasi wala kaming parking
It's only decent,
yeah,
isn't
yeah.
It's
Parking
jolly decent over
customer only. There you are. Oh.
Well,
there.
we've got plenty of time to reverse it in so we can drive it out.
Oh, you know what I forgot, Dada? The umbrella.
Where is it?
In the coffee shop.
Oh, Janina.
I don't know, just only
Leave it till we come out.
yeah, just only umbrella, Daddy.
There's 20 minutes to go.
Just only umbrella. Nakalimutan ko yung umbrella namin. You can park there.
We'll park it in here.
Yan, nag-video kasi ako. Nakalimutan ko yung aming yung...
We shouldn't be long in here anyway.
Yeah.
I don't think anybody will need an umbrella. Oh, so could have waited, couldn't he? What do you say? Could have waited long, you know.
Ay, nako. Na-distract ako sa aking nakalimutan ko yung umbrella.
We're not that small. Are we? There we are. How's that?
Yeah.
Can you get out there?
Yes, plenty of space. Hindi pa napatakan yung mukha ko ng ulan. Hindi ko pa naalala ang aking umbrella. Yan ang ayaw ko, magbitbit ng umbrella. Pag nailapag mo, nakalimutan mo na. Let's go. Maraming iniisip ang Madiraka. Ay, nako. Kukunin ko na naman yung aming walking chair ni hubby. Teka lang, sandali. Ang aking papel bilang career and wife. Okay. Ay, nalaglag yung aking Lag. Aday, sandali. Here you're walking chair. Okay. Yep. Tada. Kailangan kong anuhan ng aking hobby. Nothing, daddy. Just lock the car. And I need my coat. It's a bit windy. Malamig. Alright now? Okay. Ayan na. Pasok na kami sa sa kanyang MRI room. Oops. Ayan siya. Are you alright? Okay. Bilib lang ako sa kay Roger kasi 85 na siya. Never siyang na heart attack or na stroke. Sobrang healthy na tao. Maliban lang sa kanyang arthritis sa binte. Papasok na kami sa loob. Hanggang dito na lang. Bye-bye. Bawal dito eh. God bless ating lahat. Bye-bye.